what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
What's up, furniture nerds? Doing this quick review of this 6-drawer double dresser, solid wood, nice white color here. My initial reaction, just as I finished assembling this, is solid wood is just superior to any other form of wood, whether it be manufactured, the MDFs of the world, things like that. I mean, you can just look at the texture, the raised texture here. And the thing with solid wood, you know it's solid because none of the grains are the same. Everything is very, very unique. And as I was unboxing it, you can clearly smell the solid wood, the real wood. Now, the assembly process wasn't too bad. Here's a manual right here. And it took me about, I'd say about hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes to do the entire thing. But as long as you stick to the script, stick to the instructions, they're very, very clear, very straightforward. You should be able to put this together in, a couple hours or so. Now, if we go ahead and open the drawer, you can see that it's actually pretty deep, right? Pretty deep, downward and back as well. There's obviously 6 of them, so you can store a good amount of clothes in here. Garments, shirts, undergarments, things of that nature. So you'll definitely enjoy the sight, storing your clothes away for sure. And so I highly recommend this particular dresser. It's just really, really nice, good quality. It's got the nice metallic drawer handles to go with it. Overall, just a really, really nice, solid quality set. I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. Smells good, looks good, just a feel-good piece of furniture. Go ahead and check it out.